Assalamu alaikum, dear all students. Welcome to Metropolitan Foundation School. I am going to make a visit which will really make you satisfied, and you will be compelled to think that you are provided with good and relaxed atmosphere and facilities. Good and standardized education is being imparted to you along with healthy extracurricular activities. Now enter the gate and find the reception desk, where you can get every sort of information and guidance. Adjacent to reception desk, you will find an accounts office where all matters relating to fees and other dues are settled. A well-cooperative staff is available to you. Now students, here you can see a beautiful garden of our school. You all can see the greenery of this garden. Now I am moving towards the principal's office. Here you can see the office of our respected principal, where she handles all the matters with teachers, parents and students also. Here we have a beautiful garden in our school. And in this garden we have different kinds of animals and birds. You also can see the beautiful and pleasant weather of here. Now students, I am moving towards the hall of our school, where you all were used to take an assembly and also do your preparations of all the activities like sports, Milad, Independence Day and all that. You all can see the canteen area also, where you all were used to sit here to eat your lunch. Now students, I am moving towards the pre-primary section. Here you all can see the beautifully painted walls which are making this area more attractive. This is our pre-primary section. These are very beautifully painted for making this area very attractive. You all can see these colorful paintings. Now students, I am moving towards the classes of pre-primary section. the basic section of education system. All the students start their education from here and upgrade to other upper classes. You all can see the beautiful decoration. It is beautifully decorated by our teachers for all our beloved students. You all can see that how colorful areas are these. Here you all can see the wonderful aquarium with wonderful fishes. They all are different in color and they all can swim here easily. Now students, I am moving upwards of this school where I will make a visit of more areas of our school. Now here you can see an assembly hall of secondary section where all the students gathered here to take their assembly every morning. Now students, I am going towards the classroom. You all can see the very neat and clean, very fresh and full air open classes with good ventilation system. Here you can see windows and in the end all these empty desks which are really empty without you all. On these desks some students like to sit at the front, some like to sit at the back and some like to sit at the window side. Here you all can see the soft boards and the handmade charts of your own hands where these all charts are still hanged and making these classes very attractive. Now students, I am moving towards the computer lab. Where you all do your practicals over here by sitting and using these computers. And here I have every memorable memory of different sessions in which the students enjoyed sports day, Milad day, picnic and annual examination results, which is a source of enhancing their knowledge. The position holders and brilliant students are encouraged. Now students, we also have a library unit once a week. You all can see the very useful part of our school here, where students gather here and get information by spending their time in this library. And here you all can see a great collection of books which are placed in these shelves. Now students, I am moving towards the science lab. You all can see the entire lab and all the hanged diagrams here. Where different district diagrams and contributions are placed. You can see a periodic table here. Now I will also make a visit of the instruments and specimens. Here you can see a microscope, These are used to practical handlings of the students, and you all can see here the different specimens which are used during the practicals of the students. In our school, we also have a good music system where the students get some entertainment and enjoyable moments, through which students get entertained by it. In the end, I'm going to make an entire look of the school. The school building consists of ground plus 2 stories. On the ground floor, you will have the pre-primary and primary sections along with principal and administrators' offices and also a sizable assembly hall. Hope you all have enjoyed this session. With this hope, may Allah meet us soon. Allah Hafiz.